Today I will talk about how can you enable auto backup on your My Jewelry app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here, and just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on backup and restore. Just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to auto backup. Just click in this sign here. So then here you add, if you want to add per month or annually or monthly here, click on continue. Then add your card, uh, debit card or credit card. Then it's going to add with you here on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.